Okay, traders, I took a bunch of trades this morning through the Asian session. What I want to do with this video is just show you how easy it is to trade using these indicators and our strategy. Just a quick heads up before we run through these trades that we took today. And these are the trades that go into Telegram. Okay, so this is our VIP Telegram. There's a 14-day trial. You can check this out for free. The link's on the website. But just to let you know that these are trade copy friendly, so you can, let's just go up. Yeah, this is how they're formatted. So this will be picked up by TS Copier. You can automatically copy these to your MT4 directly from Telegram. So there's TS Copier, and you can use my trade copy service, which is cheaper. So we're just going to come back over here and see how these trades are stacking up. And quickly before I do, if you head over to Discord, if you haven't got access to Discord, the link's on my website. But come down in here to the general VIP signals results, and there's a link to a spreadsheet that'll give you our full history. You can see how things are going. We've been having some really nice results. Our strategy with our indicators in the strategy. So just to run through these quickly, we're looking for this red shaded thing here. Have a look, see red shade, green shade. Okay, this is the Asian Open, so it could be the London Open, New York. Okay, I just decided to trade Asia. I took that signal short, and we had a signal here to close, so I closed it. In fact, the whole basket of trades had more or less had a signal to close, so I just shut down the whole basket of trades. The markets are highly manipulated, and you never know when that's going to happen. So I'm tending to open a basket of trades. Some are going to run further than others. And when you shut down the basket, you come out ahead, right? So rather than taking a risk on just one trade, hoping for a 2-hour outcome, I would rather open 4 or 5, and when they close together, you get the same outcome, because you never know which one's not going to trend so well. This one I closed with the basket of trades. Yeah, that would have given us about 1 hour. But again, you never know when, that's going to happen, guys. It's a really volatile market. We're just waiting for the Asia, the session open. We've got this signal here. We run with the momentum on that. But I ended up closing it at break even, as you can see, along with the others. Okay, the Euro New Zealand was another one. That was quite nice. Again, basket of trades. You just never know. Seriously, you might ask, why didn't you hold on to it? Well, you don't know if that's going to happen or not. And again, I'm not looking to trade just one. You know what I mean? I'm looking for a basket of trades to find the same result. I was actually looking to re-enter that short, and I actually missed out. I didn't take that. I was planning on that second short on a new signal. I missed it. Pound Aussie. Yeah, that one gained a little bit. Again, just coming in on that red signal here. Went short. And there's a signal there telling you that it may or may not pull back. That was only a brief pullback, and then we had a little bit more of a pullback there. So you got to take notice of these signals. Pound Kiwi. No, I mean, that ended up being range bound for the whole Asian session. Had a red signal. But again, if you take one trade, let's just say this has got momentum, and you take that, you're just going to end up close to break even. Now, that's why I'm taking a basket of trades, because there's going to be some of them out of the basket that will give me a little bit. All right, so this one closed with the basket of trades on that signal. I saw that signal coming in, and it was firing on more than one, so I ended up closing them all. New Zealand dollar, yeah, that was just closed with the basket of trades. If you have a look here, right, that is a warning. It wasn't much of a pullback. We got a red bearish divergence there, but close them all. That's at near 1 hour. I hope you understand what I'm on about here with the basket of trades, rather than trying to single out one particular currency pair. Yeah, this is a perfect example of, how it can just turn around midstream out of nowhere. Okay, so we get an entry signal, and then we get an exit signal. And again, this is a 1 hour. Yeah, we gained 1.6 R, so I couldn't be happier, seriously. I've just done a video on how to find these opportunities. It's a really detailed mentorship video on these trades. It was a live trading taking these trades this morning, and I posted that video here in this down here in the daily mentorship. This is it here, live trading, how to find opportunities, right? So yeah, this is on taking these trades, why I took these trades, what to look for with these signals. It's not just these signals. There's a couple of other things that we need to factor in, like this indicator here, this one here, right, to give us a bit of a heads up. So full tutorial if you're wanting to be reasonably independent and find your own signals. So that's the mentorship video here. Now, the other thing that I've done is I've sent in some trade ideas today. I'm just going to click this and scroll up so you don't see these two trade ideas. This is for members only. Okay, I'm just scrolling up now. Yeah, gold. Here's an example of what I'm posting in here. Now, this is if you're wanting to trade manually, and this is what I'm calling trading is as easy as paint by numbers, because I give you, wow, that one was really easy. But what I'll generally do is give you something like, yeah, like this. That's a NASDAQ. Aussie CAD, you can see what I'm doing here. Okay, so that's what I've done today. I've provided a couple of ideas for my members. See, so you see, this is that's a video there. Definitely watch that. This is my paint by numbers opportunity. See, Aussie CAD, we're looking for, and this is what I'm posting today. I've provided a couple of these with the red and the green candles, and it's a really specific instruction. Look for the candles to retrace, turn red, and then set a green alert for an entry long, Aussie CAD. And most of them will give you something. This one was really nice. Okay, so we're having a very good result with these. And the instruction's very specific. Wait for the pullback and then go for that green alert after a certain time when the session opens. It's all in the videos, guys. So this is really easy if you want to follow these signals here, trading manually. The other one, the Telegram signals, are better used for auto trade copy rather than trying to manually trade them, because I'm kind of in and out. And you can still take those signals if you like. Anyway, look, that's a bit of a wrap. We're having a lot of success with our signals. Okay, so there's two types of signals. Hope you understand that. The paint by numbers, okay, easy as, and of the Telegram signals. So just a heads up, if you just want a passive income, just go into this tab, signals results there, click on the spreadsheet, and here's all the trades that have been going down. Now, what's happening with these every week, this is a new strategy and it's been going now. This is week, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Week number 6. Each week I go through them. We go back over them. We go through it in a video in VIP, and I see where these could have been improved. And that's what I did. Week 4, made some improvement. I started to work on, the improvement on the strategy. And then today really started to implement it. And, 1.6R just through the Asian session is fantastic. I couldn't be happier. So I'm looking to build on this. Hopefully you want to, come out ahead above 2R, 3R, something like that this week. So I want to start to see these gradually increasing. So, it's slow and steady wins the race with this, guys. But anyway, you can hook your account up to this through TS Copier or through my trade copy system. That's available. It's cheaper than TS Copier. And, there's a passive income. Just sit back and let it do its thing. Very strong risk management. Very little drawdown as I'm using tight stops. And our members are really enjoying the process. So if you haven't already, jump on board and join us. This is such a great journey. There's so much to learn and benefits to enjoy. So just quickly to wrap up, it's on the website, anthonyfx.com. Again, I've mentioned this before. We're 6 weeks into it, and it's still, once we start achieving, a steady 3, maybe 4R or more per week, this is going to go up accordingly. It'll go up to 49, it'll go up to 79, it'll go up to 150. All right, so I'm just gradually going to increase this as the weeks go by. So, you could jump on the 14-day free trial, and it's, I mean, gosh, do the math, guys. Seriously, it's zero cost for the best opportunity, I believe, in the world. There's nothing like that'll come anywhere near what I'm offering you. And then join that free trial, and this is locked in forever after that. And that starts after 14 days. Shout me sushi for lunch at the moment. Okay, so with that, let's have a great week. And I'm here answering questions. Reach out to me. I'm happy to respond. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.